Hi there, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today we're diving into a dessert dream, Oreo cheesecake bars. Do you love Oreos? We're taking them to a whole new level. Imagine a buttery Oreo crust, a creamy cheesecake layer, and those iconic cookie chunks peeking through. It's like happiness in every bite. So grab your apron, preheat your oven, and let's create some magic together. First, we need to preheat our oven to 325 degrees. We need one family-size package of Oreos or any other chocolate sandwich cookie with white filling, and that's the 19.1 ounce size. We're going to place 30 of those cookies in the food processor, cover it, and we're going to pulse it until they're finely ground. Okay, once they're finely ground, now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of melted salted butter. And we're just going to pulse it just until it's well combined. Now we're going to transfer it to our prepared pan. Now the pan, I prepared it with some heavy-duty foil draped over it so that we can use it to lift the bars out when they're finished. And we're going to press the crumbs evenly into the bottom of the pan. Now we're going to bake the crust in our preheated oven until set, and that's about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, while the crust is baking, we're going to combine the filling. We need cream cheese. I've got 3 8-ounce package or 24 ounces of cream cheese that's been softened, a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of sour cream, 3 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, and lastly, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now put those in a large bowl and beat them with an electric mixer on high until it's well combined and smooth, usually about 3 minutes. Now set that aside, and we're going to coarsely crush the remaining cookies in our package by placing them in a resealable bag and hitting them with a rolling pin or something heavy until they're a coarse crumb. Now, once that's done, we're going to reserve a 1/2 cup of those cookie crumbs to put on the top of our cheesecake and fold the remaining crumbs into the batter. Now we've taken our crust out of the oven. We're going to pour the batter evenly over the pre-baked crust, smoothing the top if necessary. And we're going to sprinkle it with those reserved cookie crumbs, that 1/2 cup of cookie crumbs. Now we're going to bake it in that same preheated oven until the center appears set with a slight jiggle, and that could be 35 to 45 minutes. Now I let this cool in the pan on a wire rack for about 2 hours until it was completely cool, covered it, and chilled it for at least an hour in the refrigerator. So now you can remove the covering, we can lift it with the foil, and remove the uncut bars from the pan. Now we can cut it into bars and serve. And there you have it, our delightful Oreo cheesecake bars that everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed baking these heavenly bars as much as I did. And remember, life is all about savoring those sweet moments, one bite at a time. And now a big shout out to our amazing community. Your comments, likes, and shares fuel our passion for creating more scrumptious content. As we wrap up, remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, and share the love with all your family and friends. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as the link so that you can print it out. Thanks so much for watching, and until next week, keep experimenting, keep sharing, and above all, have fun in the kitchen.